Hi friends, look at my gorgeous house. Let's draw. We'll start with a triangle for the roof. It's going to be a wide triangle. Now, slightly inside the edge of the triangle, we're doing a rectangle underneath and a tall rectangular door with a circular door handle and square windows with crisscross frames. And now, let's do something in the garden. We're doing a gorgeous tree. A rectangle and a cone shape for the tree. A circle with small triangles on the outside for the sun. Look at those rays. There you go. That was so easy. Time to paint. Green first for our lovely tree. So you see, it just takes a few different shapes. You put them all together and you get a fabulous picture. You could draw your house taller, thinner, more windows, more doors, whatever you like. Brown for the tree trunk. What things do you have in your garden? Maybe some flowers and grass. We're doing a red roof. Wow, I would love a red sparkly roof on my house, wouldn't you? Almost there. Done. Now yellow. The main body of our house is going to be sparkly yellow. If you wanted, you could do patterns on your walls, like stripes or zigzags or even swirly-whirly patterns. Perhaps you could have some flowers growing up the side of your house. Maybe you could even draw bricks and make them multicoloured. There. Now for pink. Lovely pink window frames, but only every other one. Next we're going for blue, which we're going to alternate with the pink. Blue and pink look fantastic, don't you think? Purple now for the door. Wow, my favourite colour. Going around the door handle. Side to side and done! Door handle can be green. Yes, and last but not least, a golden sun. Golden rays all around. Wonderful! And yellow for the main part. Wow, this looks amazing! And can you believe how easy it was to do? Brilliant! There you have it! Home sweet home!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!